Jay from Driver Motorsports. Today we are testing out a new product that was sent to us by Torque Detail. So this is a ceramic spray. The best thing of all of this product is it's made in the USA. You see that nice little flag right there? See that guy? That's how you know you're getting something quality. So we're gonna go out and test this product, see how it does. So we have 3 different panels taped off. No paint correction, no spray. So this is just straight paint. This one was lightly paint corrected and then coated with the Torque spray right here. And then this one has no paint correction, but it's coated with this spray. So with this panel, this is essentially how it would get done if you were to use this. You're gonna make sure that there's no contaminants left on the paint. We did a light cut, polish, and after the polish, we ended up spraying some of this Torque spray on. This stuff says that it will last up to 12 months, depending on how much wear and tear and everything you do with it. But let's go ahead and test it. We've let it sit for probably 24 hours now, and the bottle says allow at least 5 hours cure time for best results, but we've allowed it 24 hours, so it should be nice and set up. Let's go ahead and do some tests, see how it does. Test number 1, got a bottle of water. We're gonna test it. Yep, just as I suspected. All right, so first panel, no paint correction, no Torque spray, no coating, nothing. That's essentially what you're gonna get. It doesn't really beat up. It just wants to, stay on the paint. It doesn't want to work its way off. So next, let's try paint corrected and Torque spray. Look at that. Beads right up, walks off. And this is what it means when it says ultra hydrophobic. So all the water will bead up together and then work its way off the paint. Okay, last panel. We have no paint correction at all. It was only washed and sprayed with the Torque spray. So let's see how it does. So definitely not as good as if you were to do paint correction, but it still beads up pretty decent, works its way off the paint. So, I mean, compared to having spray, having no spray, it did pretty good. So let's take it up a notch. So now that we have the water on there, let's see how it does coming off the paint. So we're gonna add a little bit more, get it nice and sopped up. All right, so test number 1, no paint correction, no Torque spray. Doesn't really want to come off the best. Test number 2, paint corrected, Torque spray. Here we go. That is ultra hydrophobic. No paint correction, but Torque spray. So even though the paint correction wasn't done, the water still wants to come off really well. Didn't really have to fight it too much. But another thing, if you look, this panel here, it's pretty gross, a bunch of stuff in it. But when we sprayed the Torque spray on just the raw paint, it definitely added some better color and depth to the paint. All right, so we're gonna do a little test. We got some dirt.
I got a jar of dirt, I got a jar of dirt, and guess what's inside it?
You know, you're driving back roads, whatever, dirt roads, you're gonna get dirt and water on your car. So we're just gonna take a little bit of this stuff right here. Test number 1. Test number 2. Test number 3. And then we'll just make sure that we got a nice even coat. Just to be sure. And we're gonna take our water here. And we're just gonna sop it up just a little bit. Oh yeah. See how it comes off. So we're gonna simulate a pressure washer with some compressed air. Got everything nice and wet. Came off fairly decent. Didn't really want to stick to it. Paint correction, here we go. Look at that. Nice, fresh, clean panel. All right, no paint correction, no torque spray. Let's see what it does. Results speak for themselves. Some good stuff right there. All right, so we've seen how it does, a couple of little tests, and honestly, in my opinion, it does pretty good for being a spray-on ceramic coating. I would love to see if it actually lasts up to 12 months, but we don't have time for that. Yeah, so give this product an 8 out of 10. It would work really good for anybody doing this on their own vehicle, or if you just want a quick shine, quick coating. This is also good to go over top of wax as an extra sealant. But overall, it's a pretty solid product. Go to Torque Detail, get you a bottle, and we'll leave a link in the description.